Once you have created your Teams meeting from your Teams page, to access it, you can do it in two ways. You can either access it here and click it here, or you can go to your Outlook calendar and click on it here and join Teams meeting. Now here's where you have a couple of options. If you use Google Chrome, you can access it through the web interface. If you don't, you'll access it through the Teams app. So let's go through the Teams app for this example. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to turn off my camera because the camera should only be on when you're talking. And I'm going to go ahead and turn my microphone off because the microphone should also be off unless you're talking. Join now. And I'm in the meeting.